Hi everyone, my name is Tejaswi. I'm a partner solution architect from AWS. Joining me, we have Shishir today. Shishir, please introduce yourself.
Thank you, Tejasvi. Nice to be here. Hi, everyone. I'm Shishir, and I'm the product manager for IBM Sterling Order Management.
Thank you. So today we are going to talk about IBM Sterling OMS, that is Order Management System, on AWS. So Shishir, could you please walk us through some of the business challenges that customers face?
Most definitely. I mean, our solution is mostly catering to customers. That is what is in the core of all our systems, right? So, and the customer is interacting with our retailers in multiple different channels, right? Whether it is online, whether it's through mobile. Now you have social as well. You have in-store walk-ins. You have 3PL marketplaces. So a lot of different channels where customers are actually interacting with our retailers. And now retailers have multiple fulfillment sources as well. So you have shipping from store, you have warehouses coming in, DCs where you are getting sold from. You have 3PL warehouses that are that the products are getting shipped from, and then you at the last end of the thing you have multiple logistic channels as well. They are getting shipped out with big trucks. You have smaller LTLs. You have last mile delivery. So there are a lot of ways where there are these interactions happening all over the place.
Right. Yeah, I think that's a lot of touch points.
It definitely is.
Could you please walk us through these things here?
So in all of these places, you have a lot of places where you can have these different problems coming in, right? At each of these spaces, you will have different challenges. Like when our customers are interacting, you can have inventory blind spots. You don't know where the inventory is. They are out of stock. The inventory is not placed at the right place. In fulfillment, you can have fulfillment delays wherein the retailer doesn't know which fulfillment channel the product actually is and getting shipped out from. There can be delays in those particular places.
Right.
And then finally, you have in logistics also, you can have incorrect deliveries being made. You have delayed in shipments. So all of these are leading to customer dissatisfaction. So there are a lot of challenges that our customers are really facing.
Right. So now that's where like IBM Sterling Order Management System is exactly solving these problems, right? So could you please talk about like what is IBM Sterling Order Management System in further details?
So Tejasvi, that with all the business challenges that we saw, right, that is where IBM Sterling Order Management comes in. IBM Sterling Management steps in and gives you that end-to-end visibility of orders across your enterprise, and gives you the visibility of inventory from all across your channels and the ability to fulfill them on time and in full.
Talk a bit more about what is IBM Sterling OMS?
Definitely. So with Sterling Order Management System is a centralized order management system designed to optimize your customers' orders, essentially to make sure you have visibility of where the order is coming from, where it is being, where it has to be fulfilled, and where it is in its journey. We use AI-based fulfillment optimization models to ensure that the best location to fulfill is being picked, and drive towards faster delivery for the customer, ensuring that you are providing the customer the complete order in time, in full, and that leads to a good and happy customer experience.
Right. Now, can you walk us through the key benefits of IBM Sterling OMS?
Most definitely. I mean, the first one is definitely going to be real-time inventory visibility. So that really means that in real time, you are able to see where all your inventory is, exactly where the stock is, whether it's in your own warehouse, it's in your store, or in a third-party location, all of them have that same data. The second one is essentially smart order routing. So we talked about how we use AI for optimizing where the best source for fulfillment is. And that essentially becomes the core of order management. It automatically assigns the best fulfillment location, and it does through by the point number 3, which is seamless integration. It integrates all of your fulfillment channels to all of your order sourcing order capture locations, and gives you ability to sell every last bit of your inventory.
Right.
A lot of our customers are looking to move their OMS into AWS. Could you share a few benefits of moving Sterling order management system into AWS?
Sure. Moving to AWS cloud brings a lot of benefits. The first one I would like to talk about is scalability. With AWS, IBM Sterling OMS can automatically scale up during peak traffic and scale down when the demand normalizes. And this can result in optimizing performance and cost. The next one we have here is resilience and disaster recovery. AWS ensures high availability with built-in disaster recovery, reducing downtime, and keeping operations running smoothly. So the next one we have here is cost optimization. Pay only for what you use. Instead of maintaining expensive on-premises infrastructure, businesses only pay for the resources that they use, significantly reducing IT costs. The next one we have here is security and compliance. AWS follows industry-leading security practices to keep order data secure and compliant with regulations like GDPR and PCI DSS. So, what are the container options we have here, Shishir?
Good question. We have two broad options here. So first option is to use Red Hat OpenShift service on AWS. ROSA is a managed service option on AWS. And the other option is Amazon EKS, which is also a fully managed Kubernetes service on AWS. Amazon EKS, which is Elastic Kubernetes Service, orchestrates OMS workloads, ensuring high availability and efficient resource management. Right? And along with that, you have these integration with Amazon AWS services as well. These are services like Amazon RDS for databases, Amazon S3 for scalable storage, Amazon API Gateway for secure communication with other systems. And this, all of these architecture together gives you a most reliable, scalable infrastructure to build and run your critical, mission-critical workloads like OMS.
Right. So thank you, Shishir. Thank you for explaining IBM Sterling OMS on AWS.
Thank you for having me here, Tejaswi. Before we close, I have a couple of resources for all of our viewers here. First one is this is a QR code where you can go and learn more about Sterling Order Management, and of course, the second one is where to find OMS on AWS marketplaces.
Right. Thank you for joining, and we'll see you in next video.